These days as my findings. Thankful for the beers and my munchies. Thankful to the corners, but I'm talking about women. Thankful to get up on a junction place. By IG. Taking pictures on it. Okay, we start those. We start talking. Cause I can't see me something more. Jesus, I'm a chill, but my brother is so too much. This is our religion, right? This is the push up,